Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new Goalie Quest and fish it game of Roblox, the Stingray Shores update. Okay, let's get into it guys. There is a new island from this update, which is called the Stingray Shores. And to start the Goalie Quest, you need to go to this island and you're going to talk to Goalie right here. And you're going to select Goalie, and if you want to complete this quest, you need to turn in 10 footballs. And yeah, we can do the quest here. We need to get the football, and to get the football you just need to fish here at this island, and then after you get 10 footballs you can return it to Goalie. And let me show you the reward. Hold on guys. Alright, this is the reward. You will get a large football trophy, and you can place this large football in your aquarium. Okay, so you just need to fish here guys, and after you catch a football you need to immediately go to Goalie and submit the football to him, because we cannot stack the football. So as soon as you catch the football, go to Goalie. Okay guys, and that's all about the Goalie Quest and Fish It game of Roblox Stingray Shores return update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.